What is up, you guys? I just want to show you guys what I did to my my nail lamp, my gel nail lamp. It's not super decorated. It's just very simple, but I used the little jewel nail stickers that I got from Dollar Tree. I showed you guys in a video. I can't remember which one. But that's what these are. They're just from Dollar Tree, and I just slapped them on there. I wanted to do a lot more, but my husband said it'd look too, it'd be too busy. It would be too much, because I was gonna have them all over, honey. So this is where I stopped at, because he said it just don't overdo it. But I don't know, what do you guys think? Should I add some more? I was thinking of adding some more of the clear rhinestones, like maybe around here, doing like like silver pink or something like that, and then doing some around the back. But I don't know, or do y'all think this is enough? Let me see if I get a better view. So that's what it looks like now. That's all I have on there. I even put one on my little Dollar Tree lamp, the little button. I put a pink one on there. These are the ones that I was gonna use, but I didn't end up using any of these. The black is connected to the silver, but I was gonna take them apart if I needed some more silver ones and use the silver. But these are the pink ones I used, and you can see there's a few silver ones in this pack with it. So that's, and I didn't have to use very many. I still have a lot left. So like I said, I can add a lot more to the sides, or even like right here, or maybe just going around this part. I'm not sure, but let me know what you guys think in the comments. You think I should leave it like this, or should I add some more?